I have another story time for you. Yesterday, I received a message from a longtime patient, and we've been working together for a couple years. So maybe not that long time, couple years. And she suffered from chronic constipation, bloating, methane dominant SIBO, and we did the usual things that I've been doing and a lot of other practitioners have been doing. And we got to a certain point where things were partially better, but she was still struggling with motility. And I started her on this new protocol that I've been using for people who are constipated and bloated, and it's working. She said her poops are perfect. There's a lot of motility. The bloating is down, and she just feels a whole lot better. Her mind is clearer, less brain fog, more energy. So I've been discussing this protocol in my emails. Shared a link to a podcast about it. So get on my emails, see, because I share a lot more detailed stuff there than I can here. But we've got some new therapies, and I'm very excited because the results so far have been really good.